This is day 14 of Vlogmas, and today we are going to swap my screen time with reading. I have been in the mood to complete my reading list for the year, and I thought it would be super fun to just swap my screen time with it because I do spend way too much on my phone, and it would be better if I do something better than that, like reading, for example. So that's what we are gonna do. Right now, I am in the middle of two books, and the first one is 40 Rules of Love, and the other one is The Locked Door. And this girl right here was awake till 3 in the morning reading the book, so I think it's only fitting that I do this right now instead of being on my phone, because then at the end of the day I will spend the time reading when I should be sleeping. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna check my screen time last Saturday, and then we are gonna go from there. I'm going to try to complete these two books in this video, and we will see where we go from there. I also have to study because I just have to. I am reading The Locked Door by Freda, and I am like a huge Freda fan, and I just love her books a lot. They are like such a fun thriller, and they are always fun, and they just keep you hanging. And thrillers are one of my favorite genres of all time, and I just love that so much. So now I'm just gonna do my skincare, and then we're gonna get started with our reading challenge. And I hope I will be able to do this before this day ends, because I also have to upload the video on YouTube.
Save Me Money Now, Tale of Secret Scholarship, Ones That Friends Cap.
Okay, so my screen time last week was, drum rolls please, it was 5 hours 43 minutes, I believe. And that's how much we're gonna read today. So let's just get into the video. I am very pumped, and I am on chapter 30 of The Locked Door. I'm on page 164. We are gonna get started with the video.
We go so good together. We look so good together. No stress, take off the pressure. You wanna see the stars, but I got something better. You look like Calabasas and taste like Malibu. I'll watch that dress fall off your body and enjoy the view. We look so good together.
Cuties, I am taking a little break from reading, and I'm going to make some top ramen for myself. I'm feeling rather hungry, so I thought I'll just have this. I was actually thinking of ordering from McD, but I think this would be better. Alright, you guys, I'm just going to be in my bed. I'm gonna read my little book, and I'm gonna have my ramen.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L.
Hi cuties, I have been reading for the last 3 hours, and I'm done with my book. I was reading The Locked Door by Freda McFadden, and I'm completely done with the book. I really like the book, but I have read a lot of work of hers, and this wasn't my top favorites. Like, this didn't make the cut, but it was still a very, very thriller induced book, and I really liked it. And yeah, if I were to give it stars, then I think I would give it like a 3.5 on 5 stars, and that's my rating for the book. And it was really, really fun. I have been reading for the last 3 hours, and I think I should take a break. Anyway, I am still reading this book right here, and I'm just like 25% into the book. I'm gonna take a break right now, and I will go and be with my family actually, because for the past 3 hours, obviously, I was just reading and being in my bed. We're gonna pick this one up after dinner. Alright, you guys, I am back in my room and I've decided to sit on the sofa for some time so that I can give you guys a change of scenery and I can just read over here for some time. And I am like 69 pages into the book. We are just gonna get started with it now, and yeah, let's just start reading 40 Rules of Love. We are 4 hours 22 minutes into this reading challenge, and honestly I'm really enjoying it. I was reading 40 Rules of Love right now, and I've also used some sticky notes, and I'm really enjoying reading the book. I think I wasn't really sitting down with the book, and that could be one of the main reasons why I was not finding it extremely interesting. Like, I was obviously liking the book, but at the same time I wasn't really getting too much into it to the point that I would just sit down and read it. But now that I kind of am doing this challenge, I am in a sense challenged to do it, and I am enjoying the book now. So now I'm just gonna start reading again, and I thought I'll just give you guys a little update. You guys, I am 5 hours 29 minutes into the book. We are like 15ish minutes away, and yeah, I'm just sitting on my desk reading my book and honestly enjoying my life. I have to study after I get done with this challenge. So, yeah, I'm just gonna continue reading and I will get back to you in like 15ish minutes. Alright, you guys, we are done with the challenge. It's 5 hours 45 minutes, and I'm just gonna stop it now. So yeah, we are done with the challenge. So as you all know, I am reading the book and I came across this very beautiful rule of love, and it goes like, the whole universe is contained within a single human being, you. Everything that you see around, including the things you might not be fond of, and even the people you despise or abhor, is present within you in varying degree. Therefore, do not look for Shaitan outside yourself either. The devil is not an extraordinary force that attacks from without. It is an ordinary voice within. If you get to know yourself fully, facing with honesty and hardness both your dark and bright sides, you will arrive at a supreme form of consciousness. When a person knows himself or herself, he or she knows God. This is so beautifully written. Even like this entire book, it's so beautifully written. I am going to be reading it. Even like, I'm gonna study now, but I will read the book later on into the night as well. And I am done with the challenge. This was such a fun challenge and I honestly enjoyed it a lot. And now I think I'm just gonna edit this video, post it on YouTube. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me on this, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me read, and I hope you guys were also reading with me. That would be super fun. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, go and follow my Instagram, and also please comment below, let me know what you would like to see next. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.